Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter problem on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down. We will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we will go down to looking for Twitter app. We will just go down here to find Twitter and we will find here Twitter. We will click here on Twitter and we come here to this is window and we click here on force stop, then we click here on OK and we click here on storage, then we click here on clear cache and we click here on clear data, and you just go to Play Store and update your Twitter app and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish you a great, thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.